The National Weather Service is now confirming a number of tornadoes did in fact touch down in the Bluegrass in this weekend's powerful storms.
There were a total of 11 tornadoes throughout the state. One of those 11 confirmed in nearby Garrett County. Steve Butera has our LEX18 storm tracker coverage.
After surveying 2 Garrett County properties, the National Weather Service now determined it was an EF-1 tornado that touched down early Sunday morning. After inspecting the 2 damaged homes on Gillespie Pike, the tornado was on the ground for about a minute. It caused a lot of destruction in the process, with winds of up to 100 miles per hour.
I figured they would say straight line winds, but I pretty much know that it was a tornado.
One homeowner says he and his wife were in 2 different rooms at the time when the tornado ripped past the house.
Then when the roof started raising up, I just kind of rolled in the floor because I knowed it was a tornado.
Once this trailer flipped.
The National Weather Service also toured Casey County, but they say that it was straight line winds, not a tornado. The remaining tornadoes were in western and in southern Kentucky, killing 1 person. 2 more people died as a result of the heavy rains and the flooding. Covering the news in Garrett County, Steve Butera, LEX18 News.